Here we have another writing worksheet that's made from a picture prompt. So we take a look at the picture, and we can write about anything we want as long as it has to do with the picture. Now, we also just finished watching on YouTube the Big Word Small Stories series, and we saw the one for the word cacophony.
What's going on? What in the macaroni pony is all that noise? It's a cacophony! Cacophony! Cacophony means a very loud and unpleasant noise. You know, like that screeching noise coming from those squawking cockatiels. Toodles. I never thought...
A cacophony means an unpleasant, big, loud noise. But before we start writing, either using the word cacophony or making up our own story about the picture, let's add some color and a title. All right, there we go. So if we look at the picture, we can see the dogs are blowing whistle things, and they're banging spoons, and they're playing violins, and there's yelling and singing. Probably happy birthday. It looks like a birthday party. We could say the dogs are making a cacophony. They are singing, blowing horns, and yelling. It is very noisy. All right, so I've started my sentences with capital letters. I've used small lowercase letters everywhere else, and every time I came to the end of a sentence, I put some punctuation like a period. And I put pinky spaces between each word. My story about cacophony now reads, the dogs are making a cacophony. They are singing, blowing horns, and yelling. It is very noisy.